Everything is here to help you grow. What if everything in life, every person, every challenge, every joy and loss, was here for just one reason, to help you grow? It may sound too simple, or even too idealistic, but what if it were true? When something disturbs us, annoys us, or breaks our heart, it's not always about the other person. It's often a mirror, showing us something within ourselves we haven't yet healed or accepted. Life keeps bringing us teachers in the form of difficult people or repeating patterns. And until we learn the lesson, the test will keep appearing, just in a different form. What we admire in others is often a reflection of what we desire to develop in ourselves. And what we resent in others? That too reveals something unhealed within us. There's a deeper intelligence at play. When someone leaves our life, whether a friend moves away, a relationship ends, or we lose a job, it isn't punishment. It's redirection. Maybe we've outgrown the situation. Maybe it's time to go deeper within ourselves, rediscover what we truly love, or pursue something we've long ignored. Even so-called negative events carry hidden gifts. A loss can create space for a new beginning. A conflict can open our eyes to the stories we tell ourselves. A challenge can push us to become someone stronger than we believed possible. There was once a man named Peter. On the surface, he had everything: success, charm, wealth. But no relationship seemed to last. He believed women were only with him for his money. But in truth, he had trouble giving freely. Every expense triggered discomfort. Every act of generosity came with hidden expectations. When he finally understood that real giving is an act of love, not a transaction, something shifted. His heart opened, and so did his life. Growth often starts with honesty, admitting where we've been withholding, resisting, or living in fear. From that point, transformation becomes possible. And sometimes, just changing our inner narrative is enough to change everything around us. It's not always easy, but it is worth it. Because once we realize that every event is a stepping stone toward becoming more of who we truly are, we stop blaming life and start dancing with it.